Hello, and welcome to this Level Up tutorial on shot sizes. In film and TV, different shot sizes are used to convey different information to the viewers. Wider shots are used to explain the world and the characters within it, whilst tighter shots convey feelings and emotions. In this video, we explain what those shots are and how they are used. First up, the establishing shot, which is used to establish a location or scene and to convey time and setting to the viewer. It lets them know where and when the action is taking place, and it usually doesn't feature any characters. The master shot covers all the action taking place in the scene. It aims to capture all the characters in the scene in one shot and helps the viewer to understand how everyone is spatially arranged in the scene. Through the positions of the characters, it is possible to convey their status and how they relate to each other. The wide shot is used to establish a character within a location or create a sense of isolation. In a wide shot, you can't read the face of a character because they are too far away, but, if required, the staging of the character within the shot creates the emotion. The long shot is used to introduce a character and is framed from the bottom of the subject's feet to just above their head. It can also be used to retain a view of the surroundings, which may be important for placing the character or the action taking place. Once the viewers have seen a character in this framing, they will recognise that character when they see them again. The medium long shot does the same as the long shot as far as introducing a character goes, but can be used to differentiate a principal character from others. It is framed either just below or just above the kneecap, and that's because it looks weird to cut the frame exactly on the knee joint. This shot also retains a view of the surroundings of the character. The mid shot is perhaps the most important of all the shot sizes. It is framed from the waist to just above the head and is the first shot size that allows your audience to read the emotions of the character from their facial expressions. It is also the shot which most resembles meeting someone in real life, so feels very comfortable for the viewers to watch. The medium close-up does the same job as the mid shot, but can be used to differentiate a principal character or subject from others. It is framed from the chest to just above the head. The close-up is talked about often, but probably the most overused of all the shots. That's because it's really intense. It is framed from the collarbone to just above the head. Think for a moment about the people in your life that you've been so close to that all you can see of them is their collarbone and head. You have to get pretty close. The close-up works exactly the same way. Try using it for those moments of true intimacy and emotion and see the effect doing that has on your production. If you thought the close-up felt intense, try the big close-up. It's framed from the chin and cuts off the top of the head, so only really the features of the subject are visible. There are probably only a few people in your life that you have been that close to, and that is how intense that shot size is. Use it very, very sparingly for maximum impact. This shot is a rarity. Only a single feature is visible, such as an eye or a mouth. The extreme close-up is so tight that we rarely, if ever, experience it with our own eyes. For that reason, it's mainly used in extreme circumstances, moments of high drama or intensity. You'll see it most often in horror, and that's because it is so jarring to experience something that unnaturally close up as a human. Well, that's everything we have for you right now. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips will start you on the way to creating some great looking content. Need more guidance? Visit us at trainee.tv and find out how we can help your productions directly.